Hi everyone, this is Rose Adams with Rose Adams OT, and today I'm with my boys, David and Joseph, and they want to tell you all about, in very, very few words, the importance of why should we be out in nature, okay?
Come on, only a few words. Wait. What I like about nature is the bodies. Like you see one right there right now. And look at that. It's like some sack. I think it's poop, body poopy. But I do see lots of bodies. But Rose Adams or OT scare them all away. So what I like about it is bodies and bunny rabbit and squirrels and chipmunk. And what I hate about nature is the bugs, the insects, the bees.
Okay, David's turn. What do you like about being in nature?
I like about being in nature.
Bumblebees.
I like about being in nature. Bumblebees, looking at them up close without them stinging me, and
Anything else?
I like the bodies, and I also like the
You have
like
apples.
the feeling of the glass. I like the feeling of the glass. And I like the trees that her body comes from.
Anything else?
I like dandelions,
Ooh,
sunflowers,
nice.
and all the other kind of stuff.
All right, so what should we tell the viewers?
We should tell
Don't
the
forget to
viewers,
like and subscribe.
You should tell the viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Just
Leave a comment.
hit that like button, hit the comment, and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and comment below. Leave a comment below.
And
All right, there you have it. Rose Adams OT with my boys, Dave and Jojo in nature. So get your kids out there. Okay, bye.